I am LaxmiPriya from Civil Engineering Department. I am going to give a lecture on wastewater engineering. Students, in the past semester you have studied about water engineering, which deals with water treatment and water disposal, other advanced treatment methods. And in this subject we are going to study about wastewater, which is otherwise called as sewage. So what is sewage? It is nothing but a composition of solid and water. So we have sewage and sullage. Sullage is nothing but the water which comes out from washing, bathing, cooking, and it excludes the water which comes from the toilet and the urinary toilet water. But sewage, it is the wastewater which comes out from all the domestic uses, industrial uses and commercial uses. And now we are going to see how the sewage is going to be delivered. Which is the mode of transport for this sewage? It is carried inside a circular conduit which is constructed under the ground. So this circular conduit is called as a sewer, and it is always preferred to be in circular shape. So it goes into delivers it into an wastewater treatment plant or any other disposal area. So now we are going to see what are the different types of systems we have. So in the past days, they don't have any type of sewers. So what do they do? They take it in buckets and dispose it in pits and close it off. But now we have all the techniques. So now we are going to have an water carriage system. This water carries the sewage, and so the system is called as water carriage system. We have three types of water carriage system. The first one is called as combined system, that is CS, which can take sewage as well as storm water. So actually the sewage is nothing but the water which comes out from the domestic, industrial and commercial, and storm water is the rainfall. Okay, and both of these come inside one single pipe, and it is called as combined sewage. The next one is called as the separate system, SS. Separate system, we have two different pipes, which one carries the sewage, the other carries the stormwater alone. And the next one is partially separate system, which carries a part of the sewage and one part of the stormwater, which is especially from roofs and backyards. And we prefer this separate system because it is economical. When we opt for this combined system, we have to go for the design of a diameter which is bigger in size, which cannot accompany inside the ground, and it is not economical. And now after designing this, we are going to treat the sewage. So there are different treatment methods. We know that we have primary, secondary and tertiary treatment. So what is the work of the primary treatment is removing the solid particles. So the floating particles and the solid particles which is present there inside the sewage is removed by the primary treatment. And the second treatment is used to remove the biological matters or the pathogens present in it. And what about the tertiary treatment? If the pathogens are not removed by the secondary treatment, we go for the tertiary treatment. So it can also be called as an advanced treatment method. So there are many advanced treatment methods like microfiltration, vacuum filtration, and another important technique which is an upcoming one is called as the microbial fuel cell. It is a newer technique in which we can produce electricity by using microorganisms. So let me have a small explanatory part of this MFC which you can also apply and do as a project. So here we have two different compartments. One compartment is called as the anode compartment, the other one is cathode compartment. The anode compartment is an anaerobic chamber and the cathode compartment is an aerobic chamber. So here the anaerobic chamber means there is no supply of oxygen inside it, and this aerobic has oxygen inside it. So the oxygen will be let inside it. So now what happens here, the anaerobic bacteria take the food from the wastewater which is present here. So in this compartment we can take wastewater, sludge, soil or any fresh water which consists of anaerobic bacteria. So the anaerobic bacteria can survive by using the organic matters present in this wastewater, and it lets out electrons. As there is no oxygen in it, all these electrons travel towards the electrode. These electrodes are graphite electrodes, and these electrons they are taken to the voltage, and here the current is produced, and then it passes through the cathode chamber. And here the H plus ions, which is also released due to this decomposition, comes through the salt bridge, and here it combines as water. So, see how economical this technique is, and this one can be used for many pollution control technologies. So, dear students, so please you can go for an pollution control treatment technologies which are very economical by using microorganisms in the future. So, please join your hands to bring out the world out of pollution. Thank you.